Hello, this is a tutorial for the Glassbox template. First, we can go into Cricut Design Space to upload the SVG files. There are two different box sizes included, since the height of the glass can vary slightly depending on the manufacturer. Please measure your glass to see which height fits best. Under Layers, you can open the main group to see the two groups within. And these two groups are the two pieces that you will be cutting on 2 pieces of letter size cardstock. You can click open each of the two groups to further reveal 2 layers. One is the score layer and the other is the cut layer. Click on the score layer and then click on the operation drop-down box to set it to score. Then you can do this for the other piece as well. Once you have done this, you can click on Make to score and cut this on the Cricut machine. But before we make it, I will open the other design to show you the layer structure is the same. So you can just open the groups and set the score layers to the operation score just like we have done for the first example. Something else I want to show you is that if your straw hole on the lid of the glass is not centered, you can insert a shape to cover the existing centered hole on the design. Then select Combine and Unite as shown here to get rid of the centered hole. Then add in the straw hole wherever you like to place it by inserting a circle shape, setting the size to 0.4 by 0.4 inches. Now we can move on to making the box. Load in your scoring pen or scoring wheel, then apply the cardstock to the cutting mat. I usually leave about 1 millimeter or 2 at the edges just to ensure that there is no wasted space. Once both pieces are done, fold the score lines and glue them together at the tabs.